Hello friends, behind me is our exporting platoons for the Malaysia countries. So its size is about, the length is 5.7 meters. The height is about 1.7 meters. Its single width is 1 meters. So you can see, even though the weather is hot, but our workers are still working very hard. The shipment, we always load on the land transportation. And our workers are working hard to check every details and promise you to the good quality. This is a small boom. We have added extra 1 meter long, so together with platoon, so you can, for a large range, and you can see we painted it in 4 colors, so this can protect it and anti-corrosion. Our platoons has already been packed on the car, so it is ready for the shipment. Before it, the driver will drive it to the seaport for the later loading.